Kidney transplantation is replacement of a non-working kidney with a healthy kidney from another person. Dr. Rodolfo Batarse of Desert Regional Medical Center in Palm Springs explains the kidney transplant procedure and who can qualify to receive a kidney.
The people that need kidney transplants are those people that have advanced, severe chronic kidney disease. Many of those patients are people that are already on dialysis, whether it be hemodialysis, the blood dialysis, or peritoneal dialysis, the one that goes through the belly. But those people that have not yet started hemodialysis or peritoneal dialysis, who have advanced severe kidney disease, also qualify to have a kidney transplant. Patients must have adequate health to be able to survive not only the surgery itself, but the medications postoperatively. Many folks forget that after the surgery, after the physical placement of the donor allograft into the recipient, lifelong immunosuppressant medications are needed to prevent the rejection of that transplanted kidney. And those medications are very strong. And strong medications often have strong side effects. But most people have two kidneys that are functional. When there's kidney damage and kidney injury and chronic kidney disease, both kidneys are oftentimes affected. One kidney is transplanted, and that one kidney tries to do its best to take the job of both native kidneys, the kidneys that you were born with.
What are the benefits of a kidney transplant?
Many patients who want a kidney transplant want it because of the ability to continue to live a longer, healthier life off of dialysis. B, they enjoy the social doors that it opens because now they can oftentimes go back to school. They can go back to work because they feel better. They have the energy or the time or both to attend to their daily needs or to their families. Deceased donor kidney transplants. In 2006 in the United States, the mean survival was 8 years. Half of them lasted more than 8 years, half of them lasted less than 8 years. If it's from a living donor, doesn't matter if it's a living related donor, like a family member, cousin, child, or a living unrelated donor, a friend, what have you. A living donor kidney transplant, again, as of 2006, the mean survival of that allograft was 14 years. In my own personal experience, in my own kidney transplant clinic, I have had a handful of patients with deceased donor transplants that are on their 36th and 37th year, and their kidneys are still going strong.